on this edition of Tree Farm Road Truckers. Owner Chuck Raceland has called a meeting at the Central Dispatching Facility, the Taj Mahal of Transportation in Coos Bay, Oregon. Due to the rising cost of fuel, Raceland has ordered the immediate removal of the karaoke machine from Shrek's truck. Shrek, Seamus, Scrotum, Beetle, and Big Iron will no longer be allowed to do their impersonation of the Jackson 5 while waiting in line at ocean terminals. And he furthered it by saying that Shrek would no longer be allowed to moonwalk while taking his wrappers off at the rack. Now moving on north, located 100 miles up in the Calapooya Tree Farm, longtime Tree Farm Road trucker J.J. Mitchell, also known as Jaybird, is having a bad day. On his way up to the landing this morning, he splashed mud all over his beautiful Kenworth in the summertime. Not to mention, on the way to work this morning, his new motorcycle had broke down. While looking in the phone book, Jay could not find anyone in the Roseburg area that worked on Vespas. Stay tuned next week. We'll bring you another exciting episode of the Tree Farm Road Truckers. This episode of Tree Farm Road Truckers was brought to you in part by Whitlog, where we make the best damn bunk equipment anywhere, and by Massengale, where every trucker needs to feel fresh, and of course by Tampax Tampons, where we're not number one, but we're still right up there.